Alarm contacts provide real-time alarm function. Example of using the alarm contact. Use a screwdriver to remove the top cover of the MCCB. There are 4 screws in total. Ensure the selected alarm contact is compatible with the MCCB. Align the holes above the alarm contact with the MCCB. Align the alarm contact module with the installation position of the MCCB and fix it. Confirm that the connection is correct, and replace the front cover of the MCCB. Wiring diagram of adhesion alarm contact to the side of MCCB. Test after installation. Ensure the auxiliary contacts work properly. Test whether the buzzer is working properly. Connect a buzzer to determine the contact status. Close the MCCB when the alarm contact is in normal working state of MCCB. Closed state plus open state. Contacts B11 and B12 are both in the on state. B11 B14 is disconnected. Connect the buzzer to contacts B11 B12. Buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to contacts B11 B14. Buzzer does not alarm. Press the MCCB fault test button. At the same time, the alarm contact is turned on. Contact B11 B12 open. Contacts B11 B14 are closed. B11 B12 is disconnected. Connect the buzzer to the B11 B14 contacts. Buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to the B11 B12 contacts. Buzzer does not alarm. Installation conclusion. The contacts are connected normally and the alarm contacts are working normally.